guys, JonnyIT here. Today I'm be unboxing the Digoo Outdoor Camera. It's got the name of the product on the box. It has. It says Outdoor Cloud on VIF Wi-Fi camera. I'm going to unbox it for you now. Got a little antenna so you can do it by Wi-Fi, and some screws and mounting point things, whatever they're for. This is the camera itself. This will be attached to outside. Looks like you can plug in an internet cable into it, and also do wireless. Looks like. As you can see, you can look at it yourself on the video. This will go onto your wall outside, or wherever you're going to put it. It's got these connections. This is a QR code for only provide online product manual. Please scan the QR code to get instructions. And then also there's another one that says follow us on Facebook and get more chance to win and giveaway coupons. Digoo product. Thanks for watching my videos. Please like and subscribe for more JonnyIT videos. And don't forget to like or dislike the video if you disliked it. And share with your friends and family if you like the video. And I do more content like this in the future. Bye.